din namin ng dialect sa Pilipinas, ganun din pala din ka-diverse yung cuisine here.
Yes, oo.
Diyos ko, oo nga, no? Kasi ang alam ko lang, pag sinabi Filipino food,
Yes,
adobo, minsan.
tinola.
Kare-kare.
Triggered siya dyan. Like, when he was starting as a chef,
Ay, sakto.
sobrang triggered siya.
Mamaya sasagutin
mamaya.
natin yung kung ano nag-trigger. Pero bago tayo mapunta doon, I think may mga food tayo na itatry for today.
Oh, yes.
Yes. And first time matatry nila Mark at ni Thea ang mga food nila dito. Siyempre ako, natry ko na
first
to.
time. Yes.
Hapugera. Medyo pero, sorry. Matagal ko nang na-try. Ayan, ipasok na natin ang mga pagkain. Si Chef Miggy ba?
Yeah, actually my staff, ginawa ko siya sa kitchen kanina habang busy tayo sa setup. What we're serving you today is called the Putli Mandi. A Putli Mandi is a tausug native cake of glutinous rice balls that are stuffed with sweetened coconut meat, or we call it the hinti. It's like similar to bukayo.
Yeah.
And then we roll it over freshly grated coconut meats. So that's the Putli Mandi.
Pero
Yes,
bakit? Wait,
Marcos?
it's part
Yeah.
kasi of the bangbang sug.
Yeah.
Ang tawag nila doon sa bangbang sug, a collection of rice cakes. Bakit ito muna yung siniserve before ka mag-serve ng main dish?
Yeah. Well, it's an interesting question. It's because the Tausug people, their culture is before they take on the meal, the actual meal, the savory meal, they normally serve you the sweets first. Yeah. So it's quite different,
Hindi,
diba?
meron din namang mga savory yung mga bangbang sug.
meron ding
pero
savory, pero
parang siguro, parang sa Korean merong mga side dishes first.
Yes.
Bago i-serve sa iyo yung
Yes.
yung
I think
yung
it
meal.
goes with the scientific explanation na parang once you or eat something sweet,
Sweet,
or
yeah.
carbs, it makes you wanna eat
More.
more. You
More.
salivate.
You
and-
salivate,
like sa
yeah.
restaurant, di ba? Like
Sabog yung
bread
But that's a
Yes,
bad thing,
with butter or olive
Just
oil.
that's a bad thing, right?
Yung yung
Pag you wanna eat
Sa live
more.
lang,
ay, oo, it's a bad thing, but I guess good for others. Tsaka
Yeah.
Good for
sa
others,
atin.
yes. Lalo na
hindi.
sa'yo,
Oo,
sa'yo.
mahirap
At sa inyo
na.
lahat.
But there's one thing, guys, that I'd like you to do when we eat this, no? We eat this with hands, eh. So if there's something about the bangbang sug, you normally eat it with your hands and not with any plate or utensil.
And with the
if
sulu
you're
coffee.
up for that, then the challenge, and we can do
Yes.
that right now, di ba? Oo.
And the
Yes.
sulu coffee.
And the sulu
Yes.
coffee, of course, that comes from Sulu yan. Gusto nyo na bang simulan?
Yes, let's
No, sa'yo
do
ba
it.
ito? Yeah.
Wala
Yes
bang
na
coffee,
yes
Mark?
for us.
Everybody can take a piece of the Putli Mandi, the native cake, then bite into it, take a big bite.
Yeah,
take
this
a
is
big
my
bite.
favorite.
Yan. Take a big bite para you'll get into the
Ay,
center.
ang init-init pa siya, mga kapuso,
Init
mga
pa, oh my God.
ka-trigger. Side view yung kagat ni Thea kasi may ano siya sa ngipin.
This is my favorite.
Dapat big bite.
Yeah.
Para it gets to the center. Yeah.
Grabe. Alam niyo ba mga ka-triggered, sa Zamboanga kasi, may mga vendors na yung nagbebenta talaga, Muslim vendors, that they sell this sa streets. My gosh, this is one of the, kumbaga snack tinatawag namin, na favorite ng mom ko talaga.
There you go.
Meron rin silang ginagawa nito na pahaba, right?
What's it called?
They call it the pitis patani.
Pitis! Pitis! Ang sarap! Ay, lami kayo sa bros with a pitis. Promise.
Siya makano na po siya. Ibig sabihin, may na-trigger na sa kanya.
Actually, what triggered you today?
Okay.
Not of all our guests.
Yeah, earlier, actually, the question what triggered me was when people are always saying that Filipino food is limited to what we know, like adobo, sinigang, kare-kare. Because to be honest, why it triggers me, kasi the Philippines comprises of 3 major islands.
Yeah.
Right? And there are a lot of places that are unexplored. So I always say that there's no specific Filipino food cuisine, but it is a collaboration of all different regional cuisines from different parts of the country, and that makes the identity of Filipino cuisine.
Yeah.
So it's not just adobo, it's not just sinigang, kare-kare. It's actually a collaboration of all different regional cuisines from different parts of the country. When put together in one table, it's a collection. That is the representation of true Filipino cuisine. So that's why natitrigger ako pag, they always say, adobo, or lumpia, or, pansit and all that. I mean, triggered because not because it's not Filipino, it is Filipino, but because we have to explore. We have to educate ourselves, and we have to go further beyond what we know. Kasi that's the only way for us to elevate our Filipino cuisine.
And exploring is a
Yes.
luxury.
Yes, it
And
is.
this is also a
It is.
message sa mga fellow Filipinos natin. Kasi ang dami nagalit sa social media. Vlog kayo, travel kayo sa ibang bansa, pinopromote nyo yung mga ibang pagkain nila. When in fact,
Dito sa
dito
atin.
pala sa atin, napakadami pa. So
Yes.
unahin natin
Yeah.
yung sariling atin. Kasi yun nga, yung pagkain pala natin is more than adobo, more than menudo. Tingnan mo to, ito hindi ko to natikman na may ganitong klaseng kakanin pala sa Pilipinas.
Yes.
So hindi pa ako